Obviously, depression is the worst enemy that one can have. At times, it becomes so scary. I'll tell my experience. Uh, I don't know if I should be sharing it publicly or not, but I had a phase when I felt that yes, depression is taking over all my mind and my life. And it's a very scary feeling. You get up in the morning and you don't feel like getting up because you're too scared to face people, to talk to people, because same old questions. अब क्या लग रहा है, अब ठीक हो कि नहीं हो, अब सब ठीक हो जाएगा. And you don't want to hear those questions. Frankly, you don't want anyone to console you. You just don't want anyone to tell you कि सब ठीक हो जाएगा, because you are done with all these talks. आप बहुत बार ये सब सुन चुके होते हो और आपको चाहिए ही नहीं कोई कि आप बताए कि भाई ऐसा होगा, because it doesn't have that effect. कुछ help नहीं करता. You want to live alone. You cannot face the mirror. You are afraid to see your own eyes because you are afraid to see that pain in your eyes, and that is very scary. You just want to walk, just want to walk on those dark pathways of your heart. You just don't want to come out of it. You just want to stay there, and that is really scary. And if someone is going through this, if someone is not, if someone doesn't feel like talking to someone or share नहीं करना है, कुछ नहीं है, so I'll tell you what helped me actually. जो भी मुझे फील होता था, अच्छा बुरा, गुड बैड अगली, जो भी मुझे फील होता था, मैं वो सब किसी भी टाइम, दिन के 24 आवर्स में किसी भी टाइम, जब भी मुझे ऐसे थॉट्स आते थे, आई यूज टू टेक आउट अ पेन एंड अ पेपर एंड आई यूज टू राइट इट मैनुअली. एंड आई यूज टू राइट अंटिल मैं एकदम खाली नहीं हो जाती थी. मुझे लगता था कि अब क्या लिखूँ, अब तो ख़त्म हो गया. एंड देन आई यूज टू टेयर that page into pieces and I used to throw it away. And now I can say this, that it really helps. It helps. आप 4 बार लिखोगे और आपको डिफरेंस पता चलेगा. And that is the most tried and tested way of overcoming depression. And I suggest, if you are feeling depressed, if it's not even depression, if you're just sad about anything for that matter, your job, your career, your personal life, your relationship, your marriage, anything, कोई भी चीज़ आपको परेशान कर रही है, you're sad about anything, just write it down. Write till your heart is, it's empty. Write it out. Good, bad, ugly सोचो मत, judge मत करो, just write it down. And once you're done, once you feel like हाँ अब हल्के हो गए, अब खाली हो गए, just take that paper, छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में फाड़ो और फेंक दो. And see the difference. Do this 10 times and you'll see the difference. So yeah, talking really helps. People often ask me that if talking helps. Yes, talking does help, but to a certain extent. Talking एक अच्छा तरीका है डिप्रेशन से बाहर आने का, but not every time talking is helpful. That I can say from my own experience. I didn't feel like talking to anyone, and if someone came to me एक्सप्लेनिंग थिंग्स कि भाई परेशान मत हो, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, लाइफ है, ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है, आई यूज टू हेट दैट. एंड आई यूज टू हेट समवन कंसोलिंग मी अबाउट थिंग्स दैट आई ऑलरेडी नो. I am well aware of the fact that life goes on no matter what. I don't want anyone to come and sit on my head and tell me. This might sound rude, but when you're depressed, when you're sad, same यही feeling आती है कि भाई मेरे सर पे मत बैठ के मुझे समझाओ मत. So that happens a lot of times. If you're not in that phase, God forbid, I really pray that no one goes to that phase. But if you're going to that phase, I think you should try this writing therapy, because writing actually heals. It is very helpful. I have tried, and I think writing is the best way to overcome depression.